Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix TinyPNG download issues using TinyPNG in 2026. So if your compressed images are not downloading, stuck on processing, or the download button is not working, yeah, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, make sure the compression process is fully completed. TinyPNG will not show the download option until processing is done. Next, refresh the TinyPNG website and try again. So temporary browser glitches can block the download button. Now check your internet connection. Unstable internet can interrupt file generation and stop downloads. So yeah, turn off ad blockers or browser extensions temporarily. Some extensions can block download scripts on websites. Next, open TinyPNG in another browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. This often fixes download issues instantly. Finally, if batch download fails, try downloading images one by one, so this can bypass temporary download errors. And that's how to fix TinyPNG download issues in 2026. Once you check your browser, internet, and processing status, most download problems can be solved quickly. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more image optimization tutorials.